There we go. It's working now. There's Richard's newest car.
That may be why it died too. I'm not sure.
We're out here in the woods in Maine, 2 miles down a dirt road with no power.
Hello, what up, YouTube?
Because they're all the same.
This man is my grandpa.
Yep, that's my grandson there running his mouth.
I put that other thing underneath in the hood.
Yeah, so there's Dana's log cabin.
We have just bought this car.
Watch out for that back.
And they're about to tow it out. I'm gonna follow in the Subaru. And there's Dana's other replica. It's a Austin Healey 3000 sort of, with some sort of a German V6 Ford engine. Oh, we're headed out. As long as I'm here. There's Dana's 46 Ford Coupe. And I gotta get in the Subaru and start following. Drive down this road and hold the camera at the same time. But as you see, it's way out in the woods. Last place you'd think of finding a replica antique car. Drive my left and film with my right, and I don't get the window post in the way. Got a ramp truck waiting down at the end of the dirt road, but he didn't think he'd make it in here. Getting better already. A little bit ruddy here. Oh no, still a good, usable dirt road. A bit of a stream running down the road. That's okay. Good solid gravel. Mud season is all over, maybe nearly over. think I see the truck. And over here is a beaver dam. Oh, beaver cage over there. Meanwhile, yeah, that's suicide doors.
If you do that, you probably should do
Oh, it's only got single, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
67.
This is the best.
All right.
I don't know why my mirror just works now.
That was a fun ride.
Yeah.
I'm too tall for it though. My
Yeah,
head
no,
keeps.
if I give you the book,
My mirror isn't working. Oh, there we go. That's what's
oh,
wrong.
that's, yeah.
Yeah, a little loose.
Okay. Truck coming.
Okay,
He's gonna get that four-wheeler out of the way.
Yep.
I know.
So awesome. Really, you should have ran it. It was the best ride ever.
Yeah.
It was the most funnest ride.
Oh, lift up the thing there. I want a picture of the
It was
engine.
almost like a fair. It was almost like
There
a
we
fair
go.
ride, Dad.
Ain't that pretty? Got all kinds of chrome on it. Needed
It felt
a little
like it was
work.
in a fair.
Yeah, he thought he was in the fair.
Yeah,
It
that's
was like
fun.
a fair ride. It was awesome.
Yeah.
Wow, look at the exhaust, like just tighten it.
And he's got
down.
disc brakes too for it.
Yeah.
I
this.
want this car.
Jeez, Isaiah.
We want them all.
Screw the Montino. That's what I say.
I think the air on my,
There's Ox. He's
30.
pumped up.
34, 35 pounds for one person.
Okay.
Two persons, you might want to put a couple more pounds.
Yeah, yeah.
Hello, fans of
It's
Grandpa.
hard to do that too.
Hello.
Only
Oh, hello.
In the little shocks,
Yeah.
it's hard to get it at 34,
That was
35.
awesome.
You go back and forth.
I love the thing. It was like a fair ride. When he was driving the four-wheel, it was like a fair ride.
Great. Yes.
Jeez, they got everybody in there. I've seen you before.
I can't believe you didn't sell it.
Huh?
I can't believe you sell it. I didn't think you were ever going to sell this.
Yeah, neither did I.
I got an awesome helium.